Whoa! Whoa, that looks like it's in there. This is turning into like a Words with Jake, a Wise Words with Jake video. All right, I get to use my new jack. Da, 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 da. Cool, cool, cool. Owner's manual. TT cool. Okay. Which one's lighter?
I'm a stop.
They feel the same, but when I pull them up, this one comes up a little quicker. They feel about the same. I'm pretty sure these wheels are lighter though. It was one of the specs that I checked. So these are so close on the calipers, holy smokes. Woo! That caliper really fills it out, holy smokes. What? I know, I normally feed you, and I kind of want to have my coffee after I do this.
It's like a reward.
Opening this with a razor blade makes me nervous. That was so dumb. Why did I pull it out through that way? Ooh, yeah, those look a lot more meaty. Hell yeah. Really close. Is it okay to be that close? The wheel shouldn't be bending that much, but that just seems close. On Neuspeed's fitment guide, they did say this fit on this car, but special care had to be taken when placing the wheel weights, which I definitely believe. All right, there we go. These might need a little pop of color, maybe like some red lug bolts to kind of match what I did on the 86. I think the red lug nuts on the 86 really just kind of brought out the wheels. I really like the stock wheels on the 86. I didn't see any that I liked enough to spend the money on replacing the stock wheels. Like, as the ones that I did like, so it's the same wheels that just everybody gets. I don't know, wheels are kind of like a personality thing. And if you just have the same ones as everyone else, it's kind of like, And I did think the OEM wheels look pretty good. Yeah, you can see more of the caliper in there too. That's nice. I'm gonna grab my flashlight and check that. I did get half a mug of coffee. Okay, so it clears up quite a bit. Okay, that has a little better clearance than I thought it did. I feel better now. All right, cool. Oh, so good.
So good.
I wanted to get some all seasons, because I read somewhere that the summer tires are only rated for like down to 45 degrees, and it definitely gets way colder than that here in the winter. Also, got a little better offset here, flush with the fender now. I really like that. And I just really like meaty tires, I mean. Ugh. Oh yeah. Yeah. Looks like you're ready for the track or something. I know I'm cheating. I wasn't gonna get coffee until after I finished, but I was hurting, man. I had to do it. So I finished one side. I'm halfway through it. What time is it? Oh, I got plenty of time.
Yeah, I've got time.
Mechanical engineers. So this jack is a 3-ton jack. It can support 3 tons, and then you've got like 1.5 feet to these bolts. Now, if this is supporting a moment arm of 3 tons times that, and these bolts are what's holding the arm up, that's gotta be like 20 tons, 25 tons on those bolts. That is crazy, unless I'm looking at it wrong, which I could be, but like, that is insane. Crazy, baby. What are you eating? you have some grass because I haven't fed you yet? It's like 6:30 in the morning, Misia. I feed you way later on the weekends. And she hasn't lost any weight. We weighed her last night because she looked like she was getting skinnier. My wife was like, she looks skinny. And she does, she has looked skinnier recently. But I also just brushed her out. I brushed out hair like you would not believe, unless you own like a German Shepherd or a Corgi or something. Oh my God, or a Husky. Husky has it worse. But so much hair, so much hair. You know, when I'm sick, my voice, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la. Damn, there's a lot of dust on this side. This is gonna suck. What is it with German Shepherds and things that clean the ground? Like vacuums, brooms, rakes, weed eaters, unfortunately. Haven't had an accident there yet, knock on wood, but I don't know how much of this I'm gonna keep. It's gonna be like a 1-minute video because I'm just babbling. Get another wheel, take another feel. Cause when Pa comes back from making the steel, we're gonna grab that orange and go at its peel. Oh, Ma likes the color teal. I don't know what else I can rhyme with that, cause I'm still sleepy. Oh, I guess I should check the pressures in these too before I leave. I didn't even think about that. Am I supposed to take these stickers off? I did not take them off on the other ones. Oh, figures it's on the bottom on this one. What the hell? They're on the bottom on both of them. What are the chances? Torque wrench. And I did kind of feel like on a 2019, you didn't want OEM everything, you know? It's like, it's 6 years old. It should have a little bit of character at this point. You know what I mean? We love character here on this channel. Isn't that right, guys? I think YouTube is just, it's become a way that I can just talk to myself and not be judged for it. It's like, I'm not talking to myself, I'm making a YouTube video. I'm like, oh, but really? Just out here to have fun. Break dust for days. The Dugamatron. I wonder how out of balance these things are. Surely not too much. I mean, they're nice wheels. Next. I realize the lighting is probably terrible in this video and I apologize. But I just felt like doing it quick and dirty. I didn't have to get anything together. I just wanted to just do it. I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to tidy up. Sometimes you just gotta do it dirty. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It looks like you drove through paint or something. Holy Jesus. What in the is going on there? I cracked myself up. Also, if you can't make yourself laugh, I mean, make yourself laugh, right? I mean, nobody knows your sense of humor better than you do, so just make yourself laugh, dude, right? This is turning into like a Words with Jake, a Wise Words with Jake video. All right, not doing anything crazy, just occasionally letting the intrusive thoughts win and having a good time, you know? What? I'm almost done. I've got too many tires now. I've got too many. I've got a set for the 86 plus a spare. Now I've got 4 for the TTRS. It's redonkulous. What am I gonna do with all these? If you're in the Oklahoma City area or nearby, and you would like a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4s for your 86, they're 215 something whatevers. They come on the premium 86. Let me know. I've also got a spare with a Steely wheel. So full-size spare ready to go. I also have a full set of Pirelli P0 255 30 R20s, practically new. I mean, it's good. It's Like it is practically new. Those are like $400 something tires, I think. And then the OEM TTRS wheels. Let me know. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. I need to get these wheels out of the way. Whoa! How long of a screw is that? Whoa, that looks like it's in there. And it's been in there a while. This side of the screw is worn off. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, well, glad this all came together when it did. Sure, that would have pinged the old TPMS. What is it? It's not gonna get you. She does not like that. That's funny. See what I do for you guys? I'm doing this one-handed. I could be using two. All right, a freaking tire shop. Have you ever wondered why politicians are so obsessed with autism? Like, why is that the one you pick to freak out about? I don't get it. Of all things that you could freak out about, autism seems like one that isn't at the top of your list. But that's just me. I'm an idiot. What do I know? There's probably a super good reason. Getting meta on you guys. Can you handle it? Can you handle getting meta? This won't last forever and ever and ever and ever. Can't tell if it's balanced at that speed, obviously, but yeah. All right, guys. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I will see you next time. Peace.